Student, today's our topic is a STEM. What is the topic today? STEM. What we'll discuss today? What is a STEM? Function of a STEM, structure of a STEM. These three things we will discuss today. So what is in my hand? This is a plant. Okay, and in the plants we will discuss about stem. This is a stem. First question is what is a stem? The stem is the parts of a plant. The stem is the parts of the plant which is found above the ground, but some stems are like a onion, ginger and potato. These all stems is the part of the plant which is found under the ground. जो कहाँ पे होते हैं ये? Under the ground. You know, see, this is the onion plant. Where it's grow? It's under the ground. Ginger also under the ground. Potato also under the ground. Okay. It grows from a plumule. ये कहाँ से grow होते हैं? Plumule. Seed के plumule part से. Okay. And it bears flowers. See, this is the flowers. This is the flowers, leaves and birds. Next is what is the function of a stem? Function of a stem. First function, it is the support of the plants. ये plants को क्या करते हैं? Supports करते हैं. It means it is a responsible for keeping the plant straight. Suppose that in the plant stem is not available, so plants will like a flexible. Yes or no? Suppose that stem is not there, so plant will be like that. Yes or no? But stem is there. Stem is responsible for keeping the plant straight. You know, plant is a straight. So stem is the present. That's why plant is a straight. Okay. So next point is a transport food and water to different parts of the plant. क्या स्टेम का फंक्शंस क्या है? सेकेंड इज ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ फूड एंड वाटर को ट्रांसपोर्ट करना फ्रॉम वन पार्ट्स टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. इट मीन्स लीव्स में, फ्लावर्स में एंड फ्रूट्स में. ओके. देन थर्ड इज स्टोर हाउस ऑफ फूड इन द प्लांट. प्लांट्स में क्या करना है? फूड को स्टोर करना. स्टेम का जो थर्ड पार्ट है, थर्ड पॉइंट इज एयर. प्लांट्स में फूड को स्टोर करना. यू नो, वी नो दैट प्लांट्स फूड मेड बाय द लीव्स. जो प्लांट्स फूड बनाते हैं किसके थ्रू? लीव्स के थ्रू, बाय अ फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस. यस और नो? सो बट आफ्टर लीव्स मेक अस एक्स्ट्रा फूड. सपोज दैट लीव में एक्स्ट्रा फूड हो गया तो क्या करेगा कि जो दीज फूड स्टोर इन द स्टेम, वो फूड को किस में स्टोर करेगा? स्टेम में. आफ्टर सम टाइम फॉर लेटर यूज़ की, ताकि वो स्टेम से फूड को यूज़ कर सके. ओके. देन third is structure of a stem. You can see the pictures here. See, this is the pictures of a stem. I made this diagram. You also have to make a diagram in your notebook. Okay dear? Okay students? So stem has a various parts: buds, nodes, internodes, leaves, buds, growing end. You know, stem has a various nodes. See, this is a stem have a various nodes. You know, where's all the leaves are arising, nodes, this one nodes here, nodes, all are nodes. Stems has a various nodes are a places. See, nodes are a places where new branches or leaves are arises or grows. जहाँ से different types. See, here many leaves are grows. This is called a nodes. These parts nodes, these parts is nodes. All the parts is a nodes where leaves are arising, where leaves are growth. You know, distance between one nodes, two nodes. Distance between two nodes, it is called a internode. See, this one nodes and this one node, and this is a internodes. Okay, this is a internode. Distance between two nodes, it is called a internodes. Understood? So its stem consists nodes and internode. The region where the leaves are arising, that part is called a nodes. Okay. The region between the nodes is known as the internode. Understood? So today what I have discussed to what is a stem, function of a stem and structure of a stem. I hope you understand all the stem. Thank you.